Hey everyone, I got a big one for you today. This is a brand new 2020 Ram 5500, but the important part is this part back here. It's got the 17-foot box on the back here, so that's 17 foot long, 7 foot tall. Let's talk a little bit about the box. Aluminum skin here on the outside. The structure here is all 16-inch on center. Bay Bridge is the box manufacturer and also the upfitter who put it on this chassis. They've been doing it for a long time. They warranty their product for 3 years, 36,000 miles, which mirrors the factory warranty, which is really nice. They also provide an undercoating on on everything of the box to prevent corrosion and rusting to happen. So let's go ahead and take a look back here in the box itself. So I got it set up here. Comes with a ramp here. It's a 2 foot wide ramp. It's aluminum, it's lightweight, it's easy to do, put in and out. It actually folds right up into underneath the box itself. So it stows away really nice. About 12 foot long. You can walk up it if you want. Also got the nice big bumper here. About a 12 foot out here. It makes for a nice step to get up inside the truck itself. It does come with roll down door. It's a composite door, so it's nice and light. Got a big heavy duty lock on it, and it's spring assisted to help you roll it up. So the beautiful thing about this chassis is it has an unbelievable amount of payload on it. Without the box on it, I think the chassis itself can hold over the axles, which is what they call the payload, over 11,000 pounds. So you got to subtract a little bit with the weight of the box, but you can put a lot of heavy stuff in here. So if you're an equipment parts person or maybe batteries, there's a lot of use for this because it can haul a lot of weight compared to your typical box trucks that just can't on a typical van chassis. So got tie-downs along both sides of the walls here. The walls are nicely finished off, the ceiling as well. The floor itself, underneath the wood here that we see, this is a 2x6 inch shiplap finish on the wood, but underneath that is actually a steel structure, so it's nice and sturdy, and you can see all the points where they've got that screwed in. It's a nice sturdy floor. A couple LED lights in here to brighten it up early in the morning, late at night, and yeah, it's a box. So let's go ahead now and let's check out some of the features on the actual truck on this 2020 Ram 5500. All right. All right, come on, check out the cab inside this Ram 5500. Brand new pickup truck. Comes with a lot of nice features, particularly for high amount of use. If you're using this for business or something along that. High grade vinyl seats. These seats are going to wear really nice. It's very tough material they put on them. The floor itself is a rubber matted floor. So if this gets dirty and you're literally wanting to hose it out, you could. So drivability wise, got some safety features on it. Does have cruise control here on the steering wheel. Also has hands-free connectivity off to the left. So if the driver needs to talk on their cell phone to dispatch or whatever, they can talk hands-free, which is a requirement in most states now. Does have automatic headlights as well as power windows and power locks. Now the mirrors on this are the tow mirrors, which are going to flip out so you can see what's behind you, see what's behind that big box. Does come with keyless entry with panic button. Push button start, and then the radio here is AM, FM, and Sirius radio. You get a year free of Sirius on this particular truck, which is unique. Comes with a compass built in right there, and then also connectivity for your phone. USB plug-ins down here to connect your phone if you're not going to use it through Bluetooth. If you want a solid connection, you got USBs and an auxiliary port. Easy to use knobs for heating and air conditioning, and then you've got a number of auxiliary ports here if you want to add different features to this this truck, maybe some extra lighting, some extra auxiliary things, you can do that. So here at Sherry Ram, we are a commercial upfitter for trucks such as this, also the Ram ProMaster and a lot of other vehicles. So if you have a need for your business, give us a call. Chances are we can fill it and help you out along the way. If this particular truck has interest of you and maybe this one's already sold, get a hold of us and we'll get you one coming. So we offer factory direct pricing nationwide. Also nationwide shipping is available, and of course you'll get a great service by doing business here at Paul Sherry Ram. So we always look forward to the opportunity to earn your business. Just let us know how, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks for watching.